Hey there, car lovers! Ever stepped on your brakes and something just didn't feel right? Maybe your car pulled to one side, or you caught a weird smell near your wheels. Yeah, we've all been there. In today's video, we're diving into the world of brake calipers, what they are, and the top 8 warning signs that one might be failing. It's one of those things you don't really think about until it goes bad. And when it does, trust me, your safety's on the line. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more car maintenance tips. Now, let's jump right in. What is a brake caliper? A brake caliper is a crucial part of a disc braking system in modern vehicles. It houses the brake pads and pistons, and its job is to squeeze the brake pads against the surface of the brake rotor to slow or stop the wheel. When you press the brake pedal, hydraulic pressure from the master cylinder pushes the caliper pistons outward, forcing the brake pads to create friction against the spinning rotor. Brake calipers come in 2 main types: floating, or sliding, and fixed. Floating calipers move in and out relative to the rotor, while fixed calipers remain stationary and use pistons on both sides. They are typically made of cast iron or aluminum and are designed to handle high temperatures. Brake calipers must be in good condition for consistent, reliable stopping power. If they develop issues, you may notice specific symptoms that should not be ignored. Here are 8 symptoms of a faulty or failing brake caliper. Number 1. Vehicle pulls to one side while braking. One of the earliest signs of a bad brake caliper is the vehicle pulling to one side during braking. This happens when a caliper is stuck and doesn't apply or release the pads evenly. If only one caliper is working properly, the braking force becomes uneven, causing the car to veer left or right. This can be dangerous, especially at high speeds or during emergency braking. You may not notice it much during slow stops, but it becomes more obvious with stronger brake applications. A stuck piston or a corroded slide pin often causes this problem. It may also be accompanied by uneven brake pad wear. Ignoring it can lead to longer stopping distances and uneven tire wear. Always inspect the brake system if you notice this issue. Number 2. Brake fluid leaks. Brake fluid leaks are a serious symptom of a failing brake caliper. Calipers rely on hydraulic pressure to work, and any loss of fluid can compromise braking performance. A damaged piston seal or a cracked caliper body can allow brake fluid to escape. You might see puddles or wet spots near the wheels, especially after the car has been parked. Leaking fluid not only reduces braking efficiency but also poses a safety hazard. It may also trigger the brake warning light on your dashboard. Brake fluid is typically clear to light brown and has a slick, oily feel. If left unchecked, a leak can lead to complete brake failure. Always address fluid leaks immediately to prevent accidents. Number 3. Unusual noises when braking. Strange noises like grinding, squealing, or clunking when you brake can indicate caliper trouble. A seized caliper may cause the brake pads to drag against the rotor constantly, even when you're not braking. This creates excessive heat and wear, resulting in grinding or metallic noises. In other cases, loose caliper mounting bolts can produce knocking or clunking sounds. Squealing might also come from uneven pad wear caused by a malfunctioning caliper. These sounds not only annoy but also warn you of potential safety risks. Ignoring them can lead to costly rotor and pad replacements. Always investigate unfamiliar brake noises promptly to maintain safe driving conditions. Number 4. Brake pedal feels soft or spongy. A soft or spongy brake pedal is another clear indicator of a caliper or hydraulic problem. When a caliper leaks or fails to pressurize properly, air can enter the brake lines. This air compresses under pressure, reducing braking force and giving the pedal a mushy feel. You may have to press the pedal much farther than usual to stop the vehicle. Sometimes, this issue can also be caused by worn-out caliper piston seals that allow internal fluid bypass. Driving with a soft pedal is risky, especially during emergencies. Bleeding the brakes may help temporarily, but the underlying cause, such as a failing caliper, needs permanent repair. Always have your brakes checked if the pedal feels abnormal. Number 5. Uneven brake pad wear. Brake pads should wear evenly on both sides of the rotor and across both wheels. If one pad wears significantly faster than the other, it often points to a faulty caliper. A sticking piston or corroded slide pin may prevent the caliper from releasing properly. This causes one pad to stay in contact with the rotor, leading to excessive friction and faster wear. Over time, this can damage both the pad and rotor, increasing repair costs. You may also notice vibration or reduced braking power. Inspecting brake pads during routine maintenance can help catch this problem early. Replace or rebuild the affected caliper to prevent further damage and ensure safe braking. Number 6. Car feels sluggish or slows down by itself. If your car seems to slow down without you applying the brakes, a stuck caliper might be the cause. In this case, the brake pad constantly rubs against the rotor, creating drag. This drag not only reduces fuel efficiency but also causes the brakes to overheat. You may feel like the car is being held back or isn't coasting smoothly. The affected wheel may even become unusually hot to the touch. This symptom becomes more noticeable after highway driving, where the car should glide effortlessly. A dragging caliper can lead to complete brake seizure if ignored. Inspect the braking system and free or replace the caliper as needed. Number 7. Burning smell near a wheel. A strong burning smell, especially after braking or driving downhill, can indicate a seized brake caliper. When a caliper sticks, it generates excessive heat due to constant friction. This heat can scorch the brake pads, rotors, and even the caliper paint. You may notice smoke or a strong chemical odor coming from one wheel area. It's a sign of serious overheating and possible damage. Continuing to drive like this risks brake fade, where braking power is reduced due to extreme heat. It may also damage wheel bearings and other nearby parts. If you smell something burning, pull over safely and inspect your brakes immediately. Number 8. Illuminated brake warning light. Modern cars have sensors that monitor the braking system, and a faulty caliper can trigger the brake warning light. This light might appear on your dashboard as a red or amber indicator labeled brake or as an exclamation mark inside a circle. It could signal low brake fluid due to a caliper leak or uneven braking pressure caused by a stuck piston. Some systems also detect excessive pad wear, another side effect of caliper failure. When this light comes on, it's essential to check the brakes as soon as possible. Ignoring it can lead to unsafe driving conditions or complete brake loss. A diagnostic scan can help pinpoint the exact issue. And there you have it, 8 warning signs that your brake caliper might be going bad. If you spotted any of these symptoms in your car, don't wait. Brakes are the most critical safety system, and calipers are at the heart of it. Make sure you share this video with someone who drives, could save them a headache, or worse. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more car maintenance tips. Drive safe, stay informed, and take care of your engine. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive safe and stay sharp out there.